In this video, let's talk about how to set Chase card international travel alerts. Now, with the recent updates and due to recent advancements, Chase no longer requires or accepts the international travel alerts or notification. So instead, what you need to do, or what it has done, is uses the advanced fraud detection technology, which is automatically connected to your cards. So what you need to ensure in this situation is you have verified and updated your contact details within the Chase application. So you simply need to head over to your profile within the Chase app and make sure that you have updated your information. Make sure that the phone number or the email address is up to date or is correct on the one that you're currently using, and also make sure that you have international access. Ensure that your primary phone number is listed or is attached with the mobile device that you're planning to use while you are traveling abroad. So as soon as you ensure this, you should be able to use the Chase International Travel Alerts. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.